Welcome to the Engineering Management Lesson Series, where we will be exploring the essential skills and mindsets needed to excel as an engineering leader. Now, in this episode, we're going to be sitting down with Sonia Swift, and she is the Director of Engineering at Menard USA, and we're going to be discussing a critical topic for young engineers, and that topic is going to be maintaining the right perspective. Let's jump right in.
So I think perspective is important, and kind of realizing how things that happen at work or, things that go wrong in projects, how big of an issue that really is in the kind of grand scheme of life. And I think as a young engineer, it seems a lot worse than as you gain some experiences and go through issues on projects, whether they're small issues or big issues. It kind of takes some time to get used to making mistakes or seeing something not go the way that you had planned, and realizing that the world is not ending and that it's okay, and that it will pass. At some point you won't be dealing with this project or this issue day in and day out. And I think taking that step back, especially when you're in the middle of a problem project or a difficult interaction with someone, even taking that step back and thinking like, this is important, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not the end of the world. It will be okay. Just keeping that in mind. It's hard. I still have a hard time with it, but it gets easier, I guess, as I move through my career.
And there you have it, folks. Some of the invaluable insights from Sonia Swift on maintaining the right perspective as a young engineer. Now remember, mistakes are going to be a part of your learning process, and this too shall pass. So stay resilient, accept imperfection, and know that it really does get easier with time. And join us next week as we explore more essential skills for the engineering leader in you. Now until then, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you all next week.